guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike ZOOMX VAPORFLY NEXT 3. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at Nike's latest VAPORFLY in the ZOOMX VAPORFLY NEXT 3, and just want to comment on the box. So Nike, on their mission to reduce a lot of waste, they send more or less their boxes in not so presentable boxes, if that makes sense. It's just your bog standard brown, comes like this delivered, and you just rip the tape, and there we go, that's your box. So we got these ZOOMX VAPORFLY Next in the hyper pink black laser orange colorway, in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US 8.5. We have done a pair of the Vapor Max. Oh, sorry, it's not Vapor. It's the VAPORFLY. So do check those out. Those are proper running shoes, and these are proper running shoes as well. Here they are. Very vibrant colors. You want them summer tones because we are deep in summer right here. You want to get people to look at your shoes whilst you're running, actually. So it's very lightweight. That's something that has to be said. I love running shoes that are lightweight. I mean, they have to be lightweight these days. And we're getting into all the details right now for you. So if you look at the outsole, so the outsole is a rubber layered outsole, and you can see like this new waffle print that Nike have here. You can see the little windows where it has the ZOOMX foam, and the back here is kind of exposed foam, but you've got a lot of traction patterning here as well. So also you can see in the middle that it's got the fly plate, and that's there for your propulsion. It's just there to help your ride, your stride even be more stable. So you can see it there. It's just it's between the insole and the outsole. So there it is. And if you look at the midsole unit, so this midsole is Nike's ZOOMX foam. It's very light, and as you can see, it extends to the back, and that is there for your stability and just help you be more balanced as well. And it helps you lift off from the ground further. The upper is made out of a fly knit, or actually it's a fly foam, I believe. But it's all knitted. It is fly knit, sorry, it is a fly knit upper. All synthetic materials, hence why it's very lightweight. You've got the black swoosh on the lateral side, and on the medial side you've got another swoosh there. Very flimsy tongue. That's what you kind of want, just to rest upon your feet. You don't want any hard baggage to drag. And you've got flat laces as well. At the tongue you've got the Nike VAPORFLY 3 logo there, and on the insole you've got a VAPORFLY insole also. So that rounds up my review. Really excited to try these on. Big fan of Nike's running shoes. I mean, Nike were, to begin with, they were just running shoes, and just to see the leaps and bounds that they've come through, the technologies that you've seen, and just to culminate into this VAPORFLY, it's amazing. If you want to see us do like test runs, wear tester trials, let us know in the comment section below. I'd love to show you guys how to run in these. Well, not how to run in these, but running in these. And yeah, I can't wait to try this on. So roll that footage of me trying these VAPORFLY NEXT 3s on.
comes to the sizing, guys, preferably I wish I got half size down to what I usually wear, so I should have got a UK size 7. That's because my toes aren't really at the top. And when it comes to running shoes, you know, I want proper a tight feel, because I want to maximize, you know, the entire shoe's use. But I feel like it's not slipping, but I just feel, I know there's space. These are really comfortable, guys, and I feel like I'm cheating. If I'm gonna use these during a race, this is cheating. The ZOOMX foam is just really bouncy, and I can understand why there was an investigation into the Vaporfly like many years ago. Totally get it, but you know, if you're looking to improve your time, improve your performance at 10K, even in a marathon, hopefully this is the one for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.